This video is about how to use the MobileManager to operate stations. The station widget shows running stations and faulted stations. You can click Go to Stations or on a specific station. Both will bring you to the station page, but the latter will bring focus on the particular station. We click on a running station. You are now at the station page with focus on the station you selected. From this point you can operate the station or navigate to other stations. You can click on the arrow beneath the station to see more information. Here you see remaining runtime. Let's stop the station. We click the Stop button. And confirm. We click Start on a station. We select 15 minutes by the quick selections. You can also enter the time directly in hours and minutes. We start the station. The station has started.